If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin Update. It's been a crazy time in the market. The market have been moving up so quickly, and of course at some point we were meant to have these reds. Okay, now there's something I told you before in the videos, and that is a technical target to move up to 23,320. And if you look at this, the world knows that this is a bull flag, right? Even I saw this as a bull flag. But there's one thing that has to be kept in mind as well when we're drawing all these things, is that sometimes you just gotta zoom out. And I don't know why I didn't see this before, but it seems like we potentially didn't talk about the fact that you could actually have a resistance as well. So you can see that this bull flag is meaningless next to the resistance right over there. And let me tell you, let me show you this. If I showed you Solana, this is the same scenario with Solana. Actually, I mentioned it for Solana, I saw it for Solana, but I couldn't see this one for Bitcoin, because this is what they do. This is what the bigger players know how to, trick you into trade a pattern, because you always have a good feeling and a bad feeling, or which in other words, you're going to have a bullish feeling and a bearish feelings. And that means that when you have the bearish feeling, even in a bull run, you're going to actually look for that bearish patterns. And when you're bearish, you're going to look, when you're bullish, you're actually going to be looking for those bullish patterns, even though you're meant to go down, but you're still going to wish that you had the bullish patterns. And what I'm trying to say here is that I did see this bull flag with Solana right there. The last one that I made was this one right here, and I talked about a technical target to go to $19 and $21, and we moved all the way to $25, okay? And that one played out perfectly. And then they gave us another one here, but when I zoomed out of this place on the daily, this is when I talked about Solana here. So it was clear to me that you had these three consecutive resistances. So this was number one right there, number two right there, and this is where I said even though they gave you a bull flag, it's not going to go up. But there was a condition that I told them that, again, if I dive into the 4-hour time frame here, let's go back to the 4-hour time frame, is that if you break out of here, go to $25 and backtest $23, then you could actually go to $33, which is the technical target of this bull flag actually. Now for Bitcoin, I didn't realize that there was another particular check to make, and that check was the fact that you have a bull flag. But unfortunately, what do you have? Zoom out. On the left, you have that resistance where we started off. And actually, if you do drag it all the way up like this, boom, somewhere like that, and that's actually a valid resistance, because you can see that you have this one touch right here, second one right there, one right over here, and fourth one right over there. So it actually turns out to be a resistance. And even though you have a bullish pattern to continue to the upside, which showed $23,000, you're looking pretty bad. So let's go into the daily time frame here, and you can see on the daily time frame, it's clear, it's really clear that that is a big massive resistance, because you do have touch number one, a fake out here, touch number three, and touch number four. So wow, I didn't see this one, but now I actually noticed where the problem really is. But I'm right on time, because there's not any big price difference right here. At least I'm on time to tell you that you, my friend, have an evening star now, and it's a confirmed evening star, and it's a reversal to the downside, and it actually matches the fact that you have three very bad signs. Number one is resistance that you have, which I've already talked about, that resistance line. Number two, on the RSI, you're overbought. Number three, you have a bearish candle to go to the downside. So basically, that's it for Bitcoin, guys. No $23,000 unless, all right, here's the magic word, unless you don't come above this particular resistance. And the fun part is that if you do get above this resistance now, then you're looking for this technical target. You take the top to the bottom right there, and it's going to be a move up not only to 23,000, but you're talking about $28,000. So be very, very careful out there. And that's it for this Bitcoin update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.